Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the credit for child and dependent care expenses on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step will be to determine your eligibility. So first you got to determine if you're eligible for the credits for child and dependent care expenses, and if you are, go ahead and collect your child and dependent care expenses receipts and invoices. And once you have all those documents gathered, next you're going to sign into your Turbotax account. So go on Turbotax website and sign in with your email address and your password. And once you sign in, just select the tax year that you want to claim the credit for. Next, you're going to choose credits and then select credit for child and dependent care expenses as your credit type. Next, you're going to enter your credit information, including your child's name and social security number. And the next step is going to be to claim the credit based on your eligibility and credit information. And the final step will be to review your credit claim and submit it to the IRS. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the credit for child and dependent care expenses on Turbotax. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.